Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected viewers, you all already knew that officially we launched the Spoken English classes channel, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, named Mohammed Raihan Sir. If you want to be skilled, if you want to achieve great skill in spoken English communicative skill, you have to follow all the videos of this channel. Very easiest way, we trained up a huge number of students all over India, all over the world, with the help of online and offline. So don't be frustrated. Don't worry. It is possible to achieve this language in an easiest way. And I already shared only 10 topics. If you learn systematically, alphabet, number, person, agreement, tense, modal, imperative, preposition, joining, stock words. If you learn these topics systematically, it is possible to achieve complete skill in communications. So my dear, my respectable trainees and running students, please set your goal and achieve this language for your career, for your bright future. For your life, you have to learn this language. We know that English globally used. This is most useful language, most useful administrative language. That's why you have to learn this language for your life. So if you want to get offline and online classes from Mohammed Raihan Sir, IELTS trainer, you may contact the given number 9339256646. Again saying 9339256646. Thank you so much everyone.